Hey everyone, Craig Stage, Superintendent of the Athens Area School District. Wanted to take a few moments today now that the first marking period is over. There's frost on the ground. I felt like it was a good time to take a moment and talk about school cancellations due to weather. Snow days is what we like to call them. A lot of questions I get are, what kind of snow days do you have built into the calendar? So if you look at the 23-24 calendar, which you can find on our district website or on our app, you will notice that we have 4 weather makeup days built into our calendar. What happens is if we have to call a snow day, those weather makeup days then become a day of school. And we note that on our social media pages and on our website when those days happen. The other thing we have available to us is what we call flexible instructional days. We had to apply to the Pennsylvania Department of Education for those days, and we are allowed 5 flexible instructional days. Those are days where we do not have school, could be for a lot of reasons, typically for weather, and students will work on their classwork at home, and it still counts as a day of school. So what I try to do is I will use our weather makeup days first, and then if we have to, then we'll use our flexible instructional days second. You will see in our notifications if it is a flexible instructional day or FID day, we will make sure that we note that, and we will count the days on all of our posts on our social media and our website. The other question I get is, how do you make the decision to close school? That's a little bit more complicated, but I will tell you it starts sometimes days beforehand or definitely very early in the morning. It takes a team of people to make that decision. We collaborate with the Bradford County Services, our local townships. They have access to us. We communicate with them. We have people out on the ground trying to take a look at the weather conditions and the road conditions. And collectively, among superintendents throughout Bradford County, we also talk to help make that decision. We are not 100% accurate every time, but sometimes neither is the weatherman, but we do our best. At the end of the day, we try to err on the side of caution, but we also try to focus on making sure school's a priority and that we can keep schools open. At the end of the day, I want to remind parents and guardians that they have the right, if they feel the weather conditions are unsafe, to keep their child home. They just have to communicate that with the school, and we will do our best to make that an excused absence and help your child make up that work. So just wanted to kind of give you an insight onto school closings and cancellations. It's a simple video that I wanted to share because I get this question asked a lot, and the weather's starting to turn, so I can foresee us dealing with this in the near future. I hope you all have a great day, and go Wildcats.